Once upon a ticklish volcano lived Sniffle, the world's only dragon allergic to gold. Every time he saw treasure, he'd let out a massive, fiery sneeze, HCHOO, that accidentally melted the entire pile. One day, greedy pirates showed up with mountains of gold to bribe Sniffle into guarding their treasure. But HCHOO, flame. The treasure vanished, the pirates got singed, and Sniffle just wanted tissues and tea. So now, instead of guarding gold, Sniffle protects a giant library because books don't make him sneeze unless they have glitter.